every meal is complete without a good dose of MSG. Sugar. Sugar and MSG, two real staples of Thai cooking. This actually smells pretty good and it looks tasty. But again, I know that there is mashed up fish in here and it just kills my appetite. I know it's all mental, but I'm working on it. What is this?
Roti.
I've been told what that is many times. I still don't know what it is. Fish sauce, another Thai staple.
What is
Really fishy. So if you're expecting that, it's pretty darn good. Super spicy, full of flavor. But it's a little on the fishy side for me. And meanwhile, this is boiling. Wow, that is really going to change the flavor. It's going to cut down on the spice and the fishiness. So the aroma has totally changed. It has a strong coconut milk aroma, obviously. No surprise. The flavor is fantastic. It's spicy. What the flavor profile is, plus the coconut milk. And this is very spicy. Doesn't even taste like a chicken heart or a liver. It really doesn't look too bad if you don't know what it is, but I know what it is. All right, we'll see if Paul was right. So I have to say, it tastes pretty good, but I know what's in it, and that's difficult for me to overcome.